Hello guys, how are you? I'm Muhammad Junaid Mohsin. This video is I'm just making for introducing you second part of my video. In first video it was just introductory. Sorry, it was just introductory. What is Binance and how it works? Okay. In this video, now we will learn how to buy and sell a coin. Basically, in Binance is like a cryptocurrency in which electronic money is transferring from one point to another point. Actually, it work like that. When we have buy one coin from like P2P, like so there are many other things. Okay, so in this video I will tell you there are 700 plus coins which are introduced in Binance, and there are many coins which go to like 0 at zero point 0.0 worth. So we have to buy coin according to trend. So there are many Facebook groups and like that on which they are teaching you how to trade money, how to trade a point, and how to trade things. Okay, so my I will tell you in next video how we have to trade like that. So in this video I will just tell you like a sheep, like a many other sources. There are 3 points. One point is a below point, second is a resistant point, okay, and third is a breaking point. So on that, if we can see graphs like through Binance, in next video I will explain you how we will read out these things. Okay, all right. And second thing is that we can see graphs like candles are working 15 minutes, for 1 hour, for 2 hours, 4 days, 1 week, like that. So we can observe these candles, then we can bid, then we can buy, then we can sell coins according to our analytical thinking, analytical ideas, and like that. So I will complete my talk. So according to that, I will tell you if we can buy any coin. So we have an idea about where they are investing, where they are growing, and where they are just investing like that. So according to these trends, we can assume that how we will get a profit. There are many coins. There are many coins like that. They are investing in video makers, in websites, in insurance company, in bank loans, in car loans. There are many industries which are working with these coins. So I will just we have to focus on coins where they are investing. Just read out article according to the coin, what is 24 all or volumes, like that. These are main things, so we have to focus on these things. In my previous video it was just introductory, and in second it's just how to buy and sell. So in buy you have two options, limit and market. In market we have to put like market option, and we have to select percentage below USDT, according to USDT, according to BTC, according to Ethereum. These three currencies are main currencies which are we have working. Okay, so according to this we have just select on 100% like that, and we can put limit also. If one coin is 0.1 is moving at saturation point, a resistance point, so we know that if it will be working like that, in 2 days it will break and it will go 0.6, 0.7 like that. So we can put limit, market, and stop limit. These 3 points are very important in buying and selling. So we have to focus on these things, and we have to analyze how we have to go through and how we have to work out. So I will complete my talk. So just in this video I have told you where coin is working, where they are investing, first thing. Second, how to buy and sell. If in sell we have just like that, we can select USDT and like that. So after putting like that, we can complete it. Thank you so much. Subscribe my channel and bell icon.